to talk, says hello when we go for a walk. Sparrow is tiny, quick and small, hops on rooftops and garden wall. Peacock dances with feathers wide, shiny colors it shows with pride. Duck loves water, swims all day, quacks and splashes in a playful way. Crow is black and very smart, finds its food with a clever heart. Owl stays awake the whole night through, big round eyes and hoot says who. Hen lays eggs for me and you, clucks and pecks the whole day through. Eagle flies so high and free, king of birds in sky we see. Swan is white and smooth and neat, glides on lakes with gentle feet. Pigeon flies from place to place, carries messages with